The Comanche, a twin-engine reconnaissance helicopter. The U.S. military's light and stealthy combat helicopter shrunken down to fit in the palm of your hand. With a near-perfect replication of the actual Comanche, anyone with a passion for military arsenals will appreciate its fine details. The structural design comes from a double counter-rotor system, which allows for maximum stability. This Comanche is equipped with a 4-channel system and radio, which gives this chopper the ability to move in any direction. Powered by twin carbon brush motors and an 800 mAh battery, it is sure to bring a smile to anyone. The Co-Commache comes out of the box ready to fly. The package includes a Comanche helicopter, 4-channel transmitter, a LiPo charger, a 7.4-volt 800 mAh LiPo battery, a serial cable with a flight simulator CD, 8 AAA batteries, car charger, and spare blades. The Comanche is great if you're a beginner and intermediate flyer. For more information about the esky Comanche, please visit our website.